Hey guys, it's 5:10 now. So I'm gonna be waking up tomorrow at like 8 a.m. and from then I'm gonna be showing you like every day everything that I do like the whole day. So yeah, let's see what we can do after waking up tomorrow. So it's almost like 9 a.m. right now. So I guess we're gonna be starting work. So first I'm gonna be like posting a video for my tech firm on Instagram. So yeah, let's get on it. Alright, it's like 9:22 and we're done with the post. Guys, make sure to follow us on Instagram. Let's check. I'll also like put a photo here, I think. I don't know. Like, alright, so yeah, just follow me. For now I'm gonna be trying to study biology maybe for 1 hour or half an hour. Let's see how far I can go. Alright, so it's like 10 a.m. right now and I think I'm done with studying because we gotta go to the market now and it's like 28th Ramadan, so it's like at the end, so we're gonna go there and buy something. Alright, so we're gonna continue from where we left off. I guess it's gonna be like a 30-minute session once again. Done. It was actually very tiring for me. I'm very tired now. So I have like a meeting now. We're gonna be attending that meeting with my team. So yeah. In the meantime, you can just subscribe. Moving from like a static database to a dynamic one. So I've also like changed this profile section to a hidden section. So this is actually pretty much useless. It's pretty easy. This also works. And senior section, phone number, text equivalent. Alright, so 1 to 12, very Sigma code, and then we have like all the fast. Alright, so we're done with the meeting now. Let's sit out and pray Asr.
কতগুলো ডাল পার্সেল দিয়ে খাও, তুমি কি পছন্দ করো পার্সেল?
Alright, so it's 7:03 p.m. right now just finished like iftar and like Maghrib prayers, so the rain has also ended. I think we're gonna start studying now, so let's start. Yeah, we're gonna study like biology once again. I'm planning to finish like the short questions of a chapter. Let's see how far we can go within today. Alright, so I think I'm done with biology for today. It's 8:05. So it's not 8:05, it's the alarm. Yeah, it's like 8:40. Yeah, so I guess we're done for today with biology. We're gonna do something new now, and in the meantime I also finished like a cup of tea. Very beautiful like weather outside, so I'm gonna try to go for a walk now. It's night, like 9 p.m. You can see like where I'm walking, but it's like this. Loki done with the break now. It's like 9:41 now. So now I'm gonna be studying maths for an hour, and then let's see what we can do after it. I'm done with maths now. It has been like a long time, though it was like a nice session doing maths. So it's like 11:02. I guess I'm gonna like code maybe for 30 minutes now. Let's see what we can cook in these 30 minutes. With like my coding session. It's 12:15 right now. So actually, like, to sum it up, that was basically my day, but it's not really realistic because like today was like very productive, honestly speaking, but this type of days doesn't happen regularly. It just, I was able to focus today because there was a camera behind me and I knew like everything was being recorded, so that's why I was able to concentrate properly. And it's raining outside, like, but I can just like show you. I think you can hear it. So that was basically my day. That was a thunderbolt strike something. So yeah, so basically that was my day. Thank you for watching.